Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali from It Starts at Home and I hope everybody is doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing activity that I've created for you guys, and it doesn't take a lot of time. Trust me. All you would need to create this activity is grab any paper that you have in the house, any paper, trust me, and just color or a simple pen or pencil if you have. That's it, and 5 minutes of time and you have the activity ready for you. You can create 4, 5, 10, 15, as many as you want, and they can be customized as per age bracket. What I'm showing you today is 3 to 5 or maybe 4 to 6, depending on where your child is. Definitely the activity can be re-engineered according to your child's age bracket, their needs, or something that you want to really focus on, and I am sure you're gonna love it. So let's get going. Let's check out the activity first. Alright, so I have the first one which is based on space. I have one which is based on vehicles. The activity is here based on food, and the first one that we're going to discuss is based on the vehicles. So here when you see the topic is vehicles, you can use a pen, pencil, any kind of manipulative, or like I have put these chips, there are these stickers. You could use a pom-pom to put it. So how do you use it? What we are doing is we are marking the words that are associated with vehicles here. So is glue associated with vehicles? No. Is it a vehicle? No. So, but truck is. So you can ask your child to put the manipulative or mark with a pen or put any kind of sticker on top of the word. So that's truck, we have tricycle, we have crane, and we have tractor, right? So that is activity 1. And on the same lines, we have the second one, which is space. And I think this is quite exciting because the kids are in the same activity are exposed to so many new words. So here you have marked the words associated with space. So stars, moon, and asteroid, black hole, Jupiter. There are so many of them. So definitely you can go through each and every word with them. Something, if they don't know, you can definitely talk about it, see a video, explore the word in the dictionary. So many different things that can be done. Then the next one is sports. There are different kinds of sports that I have written here. You have tennis, golf, cricket, ice hockey, badminton, fencing, swimming, archery, hockey, handball, boxing, rugby, and there are so many other words that are not. So they need to find the ones that are associated with sports and then mark it with anything, whatever you give them. And the last one is simple food. I have picked up these 4 categories and you can pick up as many as you want. I'm looking forward to create this for the younger group and one for Vivan as well. And if you guys have any ideas towards what can be used for the kids 10, maybe 8 to 11, please make sure that you leave in a comment section below. It will be great to know. And if you love this activity, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe on the channel. These are some great activities that are created for the kids and they will have a great time doing it. So in this food section, definitely you can see we have apple, we have lentils, we have bread and pastry. We have noodles, but we also have cars, we have shampoo, so definitely a no-no for food. So guys, these are very simple, easy to create activities that kids will be very happy to do, and I'm sure parents will be very happy to create. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.